Are you also applying for jobs but not getting interview calls? You have skills, you have experience, but you don't have professional resume. Then this video is for you. Hi, my name is Mohit Sambaria. I welcome you on my YouTube channel Mohit Experience, and you are watching Mohit Experience. In this video, I will be telling you two free AI tool. These AI tool let you convert your simple resume into professional resume. Not just that, these AI tool will score your resume. So make sure you watch this video till the end. Subscribe this channel, hit the bell icon button. And if you want this video in less time, so make sure you follow me on my Insta handle. Now let me tell you these AI tool names and how to use these AI tools. As you can see, I have come on my laptop window. Screen recording is not working, so I sorry for that. So first of all, just go to ChatGPT, and what you need to do, just like let me show you. I have already written this. What you need to do, just tell ChatGPT about your simple resume as like this. I have given it my simple resume, and I have written this: rewrite my resume and make it more professional. I have written it very simple, and ChatGPT has written my information: professional summary, experience, education, skills, technical digital skills, and communication soft skill. So what you have to do, just copy, let me just copy this all information whatever ChatGPT has told you, and copy, let me copy. And what you have to do, go to Google Chrome and search this website. This is free resume website called Regi.ai. Go to this website. As you go, this interface will open in front of you, and this is free website. As you can see, here is written get started. It is free, so just click here. I think it will ask me for sign up. I have already done that, but it might ask me, so let's see. So yeah, just go to create new resume, and here you can upload your resume, talks, files, whatever you want you can upload here. I want to upload my text. I am just not text, I'm just pasting what ChatGPT gave me. No, I can't do that. So what you need to do, just paste your simple resume. So this was my simple resume. Let me give it my simple resume. This was my simple resume, and I am giving this to this website. And here you can choose experience. Just I want entry level job. Resume name, my name is Mohit, and yeah, just save. Now this AI tool will start creating your resume and start making it more professional. As you can see, yeah, as you can see, just what you need to do, just go to contact. First of all, you need to clarify everything is written well. So yeah, my number, mobile number, everything is written well. Experience, you can read it, and if you want, so you can change it too. So I think it is taking time. Yeah, it is taking time, like network problem is showing. So if you go to experience, so if you think your experience is written well, so it is okay. If not, so you can change that to education, skills, summary, and from here you can see about your resume. So my resume name, my name is Mohit Sambaria. It has written everything about summaries, had written experience, education, skills. Now there are some kind of problem. What's problem? Like there may be some spelling problem. So what you can do, just if you download this PDF, so before downloading it will tell you to correct your all spellings. So it is about to ask me, and you can correct your all spellings if you have made any kind of mistakes in your resume, and it will automatically like correct your all mistake. Yeah, it has correct my all mistake, and my you can say my resume has improved so well. So let me just, explore my Regi score. Just go to this website. Just go to this. You can explore content, format, optimization, best practice, application ready, and Regi is scoring 57% to my resume because there is something needs to be done because I don't have that much big skills. I have but like prompt engineering and I have some kind of experience. So yeah, and yeah, from here you can correct everything. Filler words, this is pro version, but spelling it will correct automate itself. So this is free website, and now let me tell you second website name is like, I won't show you using that website, just go to this website. This is second free AI tool. You can use this AI tool. As you can see, sign up, it is 100% free. So yeah, these were the two AI tools. If you want, so you can use these two AI tools and make your professional resume. It is taking some time. You just need to do what I did with Regi.ai. So this was the video. If you found this video helpful, subscribe this channel, hit the bell icon button. And if you want me to create a video on any topic, just let me know in the comment section. I'll see you in the next video.